Roll that beautiful bean film.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
I've ever heard of that's it. And it needs to be almost 200 psi. That's crazy. That's way high. I wouldn't recommend running compression ratios much up over 170. Different folks, different strokes. Whatever you think you can get by with.
From somewhere north anyway, don't he? He's one of those, I think he's from Michigan or something.
Hey? An ethnic food cooked horribly by white Americans.
Tacos! Hot tacos here! Oh, are those tacos? You better believe they're tacos! I love tacos!
It has to be like, I don't know, if he was from Michigan, he'd have that, woo, geez!
Oh, the Wisconsin? Tacos?
No, like,
Oh, geez. Yeah, look at some tacos.
I mean, nothing against people from Michigan.
We
Okay.
visit you guys, okay?
Nothing against people from
Wisconsin
Michigan.
or Wisconsin.
But I've noticed like they have that like Ontario like
Yeah,
Canadian
yeah.
kind of accent and you know it's like oh geez
But it's like we have our accent, you know. Yeah, boy. Yeah, you know what I'm saying there, boy. I tell you, we was in there at the creek the other day, you know.
damn right by God she bullshit.
So, you know, we get it too. Don't worry. We get it too.
That's
I
right.
mean, we ain't hating.
Hey,
we just
our
we're
accent
saying-
automatically deducts 10 IQ points. What you talking
Right,
about?
right. Yeah, exactly. They hear us.
That's right. Welfare, food stamps, and
Hey, just because they got at the Costco, we got beef on sale for $3.99 a pound.
hey, buddy, we got the dollar store up in here. What are you talking about? Yes, it's $3.99 a gallon. We go to the local dollar store, son.
We can't afford Walmart no more.
We walk there,
We can't afford Walmart no more, can we?
ride our hopped up motorpeds.
It's all we know. He's followed. Let's go, Brandon.
And, yeah, let's go Biden.
No, you know. So let's go.
No, I know what it says.
We ain't pertain to talk about cuss words on his channel. We don't.
That's right.
We don't cuss them. That's why you hear the beep 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 beep.
Yeah,
beep.
we don't claim to know anything about Let's Go Brandon.
Nope. We know Brandon though, don't we?
He did that.
Both look dude. I know Brandon real well.
Hey, you know he did that.
He did that. That's
He-
right.
that's
Hey,
right.
hey, if y'all go on our Facebook, you'll see. Actually, we're just going to show you a picture right here. Check this out. Look right there at this picture. I seen this at a gas station. I had to get a picture.
At a
of
gas pump pointing at the prices.
it.
Yeah, he was literally pointing at the prices. On the,
I mean,
on the gas
hey, if
pump.
they're holding sanctions over on Russia, why are we the ones paying over all the gas?
We weren't supposed to be, but apparently that's what the Russians are saying.
No.
They're saying that there was some U.S. military personnel that come in the middle of the night and stole their new top secret
Much like they did, huh?
attack helicopter.
Much like they did, huh?
I didn't know
We
that.
don't need to attack helicopter. We're still like 50 years ahead of them.
Whenever one person hits the nuke button,
Everybody starts hitting.
everybody's gonna launch.
Stupidest shit I've
The
seen
whole
in my
world
life,
is
man.
literally gonna launch nukes at everybody else.
It's funny how we keep getting this button to those idiotic people in the world, huh?
I did that or something.
I mean, I watched a guy go up on stage literally and go.
Yeah,
I was like, "Who's there? Who's shaking his hand?"
man.
I'm like-
hey, he can see him. He knew it
It's
was
Ghost Dog. This is Ghost Dog, wasn't it?
He knew it was there, man. You just couldn't see. Like,
You know, talk about being mentally competent, huh?
it was Predator, man.
It's Predator.
That's right. He was in cloak.
That's messed up, dude.
He had that shit cloaked, man.
That's great, man. Predator.
He was cloaking that shit.
I've heard it all now, man.
That's right. Predator was there. You had to have your thermal gear on to see, man.
Yeah, you know, it's Donald Trump, the little girl, you know, waiting for him.
That's right.
We don't like none of the politicians. We don't like none of them.
If you
They all bad.
if you'd have had your thermal scope glasses on, you or you know your thermal vision on,
He was a sexual predator, wasn't it?
well, that's beside the point. But I mean,
It was Bill Clinton, Jeffrey Epstein, and Donald Trump sitting there waiting.
with Predator,
Hey, it had Predator instead of, you know.
where was Mel Gibson at?
He's probably hunting with Predator.
Yeah.
Oi, you let it. Hey, no, though, we ain't on our Aussie friend, you know, Mel Gibson, eh? We love Mel Gibson right here, eh?
That's right.
We love his crazy. He's out there, I tell you.
That's right. Mad Max, baby.
That's right. We
Mad
all
Max
about
till you
Mad
die.
Max. Right, we don't hate on Max.
Because
No one hate on Max.
you know why? Because us we live that life every day.
Every lives.
It's like, you know, I mean, y'all thought that was some crazy shit. Seeing them dudes out
That's
there,
Monday to us.
them dudes wearing tires, and like friggin' football pads and
Look,
shit.
heels
Like,
have eyes and shit.
yeah, chains all over and shit. Shit, We go out. That's a Monday to us, man.
That's Monday, man. That's Monday. Saturday night, you should be here after Saturday night.
We go to the local grocery store, and it's like, you know, there's, you know, a car built out of 27 different ones, and like,
And you got some baby-looking creature over there.
yeah.
We got done. We got the motor finally done, boys and girls. This man right here did it all. This, how many times we take it apart? 4 times? This is time number 4. 4 times the charm, I guess, in this case.
We just skipped the third.
Check us out. We just got everything back from, sort of back from powder coat. We still got a few pieces that go back.
Partially back in powder coat.
Yeah, B&B kind of lost our powder coat for our red. Supposed to be a translucent red, and we got safety red. So, well, some of them will be all right then.
I mean, he didn't quite take them out,
But we got 150 compression. We put a flat top piston in here this time. Chain fits wonderful. We're gonna have a little higher compression probably.
No, like
150. I guess 150 stock, isn't it?
Huh? No problem.
150 stock, right?
Yeah. Like.
So yeah, we got stock compression. Okay.
The dome piston had like 170.
Okay, got you. We're gonna we can use pump gas then, guys.
Yeah.
We're at good compression, pump gas. We got a hot torque starter on here. We just checked everything. We got our let's see, we got the upgraded gears in here. That way we can hit, you know, high RPMs and stuff. So we're almost there. Like, we just got to assemble this bad boy now. Like, I think we're gonna make it on the road to Smoky Mountain Smallborough Rally. Whoo boy! Come with us, Mr. Richard Concept Garage in Townsend, Tennessee. For you know what? It's coming soon. The Smoky Mountain Smallborough Rally 2022. Remember, you better be there or you'll be eaten by a bear. That's what Bozo Duke always says.
Hope so.
Check out these, look up here and be hitting those up there so y'all can find out more about all our other videos. I mean, we have all kinds of videos. See you, Tommy. It's our buddy right there. I guess.
I'm not all chipper today. I'm just like slow.
Oh God, we've been going for.
Been up all night.
We did this all again one night, like, and we had to check all the clearances. We went ahead and we even made sure the crank was balanced. So we even made sure the we did a lot. He actually did a lot. I worked on, you know, 4 hours of filming and stuff and trying to get all this stuff done for all you guys out there for the content. So while I was working on the filming and stuff, he was in there working on this, and I had stopped to take breaks to help him out. So, well, we really put the time on this one, didn't we? So let me show him the safety dance. I'm gonna start calling old dude.